Hello, another sunny garden to show you today. It's in Bounsalls Lane, not far from the library and the bridge centre. The town is just on your doorstep as well. There is local parking in the car park, which is less than a few steps away, only a couple of minutes, and you can take your chances of parking on the roadsides as well. This property is a semi-detached 3-bedroom property. It's got a nice bathroom with a shower over, and the ground floor is divided up, so you've got the kitchen, diner, and then you've got a separate lounge, and you've got some lovely views out the window across the town. If you'd like to find out